Ever wondered how ethical hackers protect our digital world? Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is all about legal and authorized attempts to discover and resolve security vulnerabilities. These cybersecurity heroes play a crucial role in securing systems and networks. To become an ethical hacker, a strong foundation in computer science or a related field is a must. However, don't fret if you don't have a degree. Self-study and online courses can also pave the way to acquire the knowledge you need. Now, understanding how systems communicate is a fundamental step. Grasping key networking concepts will help you understand how data flows and where vulnerabilities might lie. Programming skills are another critical part of the ethical hacker's toolkit. Languages like Python, C++, and Java can be your allies in identifying security flaws. Knowing your way around various operating systems, especially Linux, is essential. Familiarity with common commands and tools used in ethical hacking can give you an edge. Next up, we have cybersecurity fundamentals. Encryption, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems are all key elements in securing systems. To prove your skills and enhance your credibility, consider earning certifications like the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. Then, it's time for hands-on practice. Setting up a lab environment using platforms like Hack the Box or VirtualBox is a great way to get practical experience. For real-world experience and potential rewards, consider participating in bug bounty programs. These programs reward ethical hackers for identifying and reporting security vulnerabilities. Don't forget the importance of networking and community involvement. Join cybersecurity forums, attend conferences, and connect with professionals in the field. Lastly, but most importantly, always adhere to ethical standards and legal guidelines. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. To summarize, becoming an ethical hacker involves building a strong foundation in computer science, understanding networking basics, developing programming skills, mastering various operating systems, understanding cybersecurity fundamentals, earning certifications, practicing hands-on, participating in bug bounty programs, and networking. Always remember to stay ethical. That's our beginner's guide to becoming an ethical hacker. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, happy hacking.